Hi everyone, it's Krista and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not new, hello again. So this is my channel. I love to do DIYs on a budget, Dollar Tree DIYs, thrift flips, farmhouse and rustic, wreaths, and seasonal decor. So if you like what you see here, you know what to do. Hit that red subscribe button. Also leave me comments. I love to hear what you guys think. And also give me a thumbs up. That helps my channel. You can also follow me over on Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. And I also have an Etsy shop where a lot of the things you're going to see me do in this video today, I will have in my Etsy shop for you guys to create yourselves. They're wood kits. So first, today is all about wood round or wreath Wednesday. And our hosts are DIY with Audria and Loads Creations. And I'm guest hosting with them. More about that in a minute. But first, let's get into DIY number one. So the first DIY, I'm going to use these picks that I had. I got them from Hobby Lobby. I'm also going to use some ribbon, some paints, and then this is the design that I cut on my laser cutter. And I'm going to be using this light lavender color, perfect for spring or even Easter. And I'm going to paint that on the top. Then I'm going to paint my letters with black. This is just acrylic paints that I'm using. And I missed part of the video. I'm so sorry, you guys. But the top portion of the circle I did with a gel stain, and it's called Oak. So what I did here is I'm going to just put my letters down, and I'm going to glue everything down. And I always use some glue from Dollar Tree, sorry. And it's called Super Glue Wood Glue. And then I made a bow, which you'll see later in this video how I make my bows. And then I used the greenery and I just put it on each side. A lot of stuff was going on with my camera for this one, so I apologize for little bits and pieces, but you kind of get the idea that I went for here. And I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you guys think down below. So like I said, this is all about making wood rounds or wreaths Wednesday. And these are the hosts. These guys are fantastic and awesome. So go check them out. Their links will be down below in my description box, along with a playlist of everyone who is participating this month. So make sure you go check everyone out, guys. And I am so honored that they asked me to do it this month. So now DIY number two. So I'm going to take another bunch of ribbon that I'm going to use to make a bow. I'm going to use these paints. And then this is my big time seller right here. Everybody buys this one. It's Every Bunny Welcome. So I'm going to tape off the center and I'm going to paint it with tea rose. This is vintage tea rose. I love this color, but you can use any colors you want for Easter. And then I'm going to tape it off again. And I'm going to do the top portion and the bottom portion in this gel oak stain that I get from Hobby Lobby. So you just squirt it on. It's a little bottle, but this little bit of gel goes a long way. And I just rub it with my baby wipe, or you could do a wet towel, but baby wipes work the best. And then you just wipe it until you get it to the darkness as you like. You could apply as much as you want. And then all the letters I'm going to be painting black. This is such an adorable sign. It's my favorite one. It comes with the letters and it comes with the bunny ears. And I have a ton of people buying these and creating them themselves. And next, I'm going to use my gel stain. And again, I'm going to do it on the little bunny ears. And then just the top portion of the ears, I'm going to paint with a warm white color. It's just an acrylic paint. And I'm just going to do the little ear parts with that. And then I'm going to sand them and make them look a little bit worn because I like that look. Or you could just paint yours, whatever color you want. Now these I do sell already made. And I also sell them in my Etsy shop where you could purchase the kit and do it yourself. And that's the wood glue that I use from Dollar Tree. And I just staple the, I use a 14-inch round, and I just staple the ears to the back of the round with my staple gun. And then this is another bow that I made. Such a pretty bow. I love making these kind of bows. And then I'm going to use some more greenery. Now this greenery, I actually got this greenery from the Dollar Tree a long time ago. And I ended up using that for this one. And there it is, you guys. I love this one. It's my favorite. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. So now we're going to do DIY number 3. This one is also another one of my favorites. Okay, so this is a scalloped bunny that I'm going to be using. I'm using some chalk paste and a stencil, some flowers. I don't end up using all those flowers though. And then I'm going to use these colors here, which I'll tell you in a minute, and then some more ribbon to make a bow. Okay, so this scallop bunny only comes with the scalloped, not the inside part. And then you're just going to trace it onto your round. So these come a certain size so that they fit on to a 14-inch round, and the ears are just going to be sticking up off the top, which that's the whole point. And then I trace it on because what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint around the scalloped area with patina. This is called the patina color. It's a really pretty bluish green color. And I just use my paintbrush and I'm just going to go around those scalloped areas with this color. Then once that's all done, I'm going to take my scalloped bunny and I'm going to paint him with a warm white color. This is my new favorite color, warm white. I don't know. I just like it better than that starking white. Sometimes I like the white, but for this, like for Christmas I do. But like this warm white, I don't know. I just really like it this year. And I'm going to paint that. Now, this is also in my Etsy shop. All this comes together. You can either buy the bunny with the round or without the round. That's up to you. But the scallop part, just so you know, does come unattached from the other part. So it won't be together. So then you're going to take the screen stencil. And what I'm doing is I'm taking some chalk paste and some of that warm white color. And I'm mixing them together and making my own color chalk paste. Because I didn't have a warm white. I just had white. And then I'm going to take my little squeegee and I'm just going to squeegee the paste through the stencil with this little squeegee, and it's going to make a cute little like vines with little buds of flowers for spring on them. And I do this around on both sides and then on the bottom. I just think that this was a cute little twist to making a round. Now, if you don't want to buy anything in my shop, that's fine. You can find all of these different SVG files or PNG files on Etsy. That's where I get mine from. And you can make your own using your Cricut. You can, use your imagination. You can do whatever you want. You don't have to buy my designs. This is just for inspiration and just in case you do want to try it. And then once I sanded, I wanted this to look a little worn and vintage. So what I did is I sanded it and then I went over the top of it with that gel stain again, and it's going to leave this really rustic, vintage, old look, and I love that. And then I'm going to take some of this wood glue again, and I'm just going to glue down the scalloped bunny to my round. And I love the way this one turned out too, you guys. So if you like the vintage, old look, this is the kind of design you would want to do or try. It's so much fun. I love it. And I love how the little bunny ears stick right up on top. And then he has the little eye and then his little tail. There it is. And then I'm going to glue another bow. Now, I do have a lot of my other videos. You could go back and watch them. I show you how I make my different bows. And then I'm going to use some of this lamb's ear that I think I got from Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to stick that underneath my bow on each side. And I just love the way this one turned out to you guys. It's so country, farmhouse, But let me know what you guys think. And please go check everyone out, you guys. And I want to thank you guys all for watching. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. I would love to have you. And as always, remember, stay crafty. Bye.